Hi, hello friends, welcome to Brighter API. I am Milind Mehta. In this our next tutorial, we are going to learn our next HackerRank implementation section challenge, which is the bond update. Okay, so let's go to our HackerRank account. This is my HackerRank account, and our next challenge is bond update. Okay, what it says that this algorithm it says that Anna and Brinian order n items in the restaurant, but Anna declines to eat the kth item due to some an allergy. Okay, when check comes, they decide to split the cost of the bills what items they have shared. However, Brainian may have forgotten that they didn't split the kth item, which accidentally charged Anna for it. Okay, you are given an n. N means a number of an item. K is the kth item which Anna doesn't have it because of some an allergy. Okay, and the total amount of the money and Brainian charge of the portion of the bill. Okay, and they are giving the all the uh, items and the total amount of the bill. Okay, whatever they have split. If that is correctly and which is a fair, then we should print a bond update. Otherwise, we should print the amount of money which brain must refund to the Anna. Okay, so how we will taking anything to input? The first line should be contain the n and the number of the item and kth which Anna doesn't eat. The second is n space integers which each integer denotes the cost of the each item. Okay, and the third line contains the integer be charged denoting the amount of money which Brainian charged to Anna for her the shared bill. Okay, and what should be a output should be a 2 if that they are charging a fair charges. Okay, then we should print a bond update, otherwise we should print the value. So let's understand from the example as well. 4 and 1. Okay, so they are ordering a 4 number of item and Anna doesn't eat the first item. So what it says, they have shared a 3 plus 2 plus 9. Okay, so how much it is? 9 plus 2 is 11 and 3 means 14. So each should be a 7 rupees. Okay, and they have charged to Anna which is a 12. So 12 minus 7 which is a 5. So 5 should be a output. Okay, so they have explained the same thing. Okay, 3 plus 2 plus 9 is equal to 14. Okay, and the bill actual bill is the 7 and they have charged for 12. So 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. The another example they have taken that 4 1. Okay, Anna doesn't eat the 10 in means the first item. So 9 plus 2 plus 3 this is 14. Okay, and they have charged the 7, so they are printing the bond update. Okay, so let's start the program. Okay, uh, here they have taken anything, so we will take everything. Scanner sc scanner in. Okay, general practice, new scanner of system dot in. Okay, system dot in. Okay, what we will do now, we will take n number of items. So in dot next int. Okay, here we are taking the next int. Okay, now we will take a kth number of item. Okay, which Anna doesn't eat. Next int. Okay, uh, now the all the items. Okay, now all the items we need to count. So we will taking n into the array, new integer of n. Okay, so n should be a size, the number of all the items, and Anna's total bill. Okay, we are initializing with the 0. Okay, so now we will take with the for loop integer I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, I less than n, and the I plus plus. Okay, now what is the next? We should take the value. Okay, items of I is equal to in dot next int. Okay, and now what we will do, which item Anna didn't eat? Okay, the kth item. So if k item, so they are mentioning as an array. So okay, so kth item is equal to an I item. Okay, then we should not the count into the Anna's bill. Okay, if it is not, then Anna's total should be items of I, items of I. Okay, so here Anna's total we will get actually a total. Okay, but this item Anna should pay, so from this total they should split. Okay, and that's finished with here. Now what we should take, that we should take integer charged item. Okay, and what it should be into the next int. Okay, now what should be the Anna should pay. Okay, so Anna's total should be divided by 2. Whatever they have eat the item, that item should be divided by 2. So what we will do, we will compare that Anna total is divided by 2 should be a charged item. CHARGET should be a charged item. Okay, if it is should be a charged item, then what should we do? System.out.print, and we need to print upon update. Okay, I'm just skipping a spell, that's for avoiding the errors. Okay, else what we should the print? We should print the difference of it. So system.out.print. Okay, what should be the difference? So charged item minus what we have taken, the same Anna's total divided by 2. That should be the answer. Okay, so let's run the code and check that we have completed this challenge or not. Okay, congratulations guys, so we have passed the initial test cases. So let's submit the code and check that we are passing all the test cases or not. Congratulations guys, as you can see that we have completed this challenge. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please always visit brighterapi.com, and please follow me at GitHub, on Facebook and Twitter as well. Thanks. Like that, comment that, share that. Please do whatever you comment want to that, whatever you want, and the changes in that. Thank you very much guys. Thank you so much.